NoteBookLM just dropped something huge, and I'm not hyping this up. Custom infographic styles, 10 presets rolling out today. You can turn any messy document, any dense research, any complicated idea into a beautiful visual. One click, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, what the styles look like, and how I'm already using this to grow the AI Profit Boardroom. Stay with me, because the last style I show you is the one that's changing everything. Now let's get into this, because NoteBookLM just made something that used to take hours, take about 10 seconds. Here's the problem most people have with AI research tools. You get incredible output, dense, detailed, packed with information, and then nobody reads it. Because walls of text don't work. Your team doesn't read it, your clients don't read it, your audience scrolls past it. Visuals work, infographics work. The brain processes images 60,000 times faster than text. That's not a metaphor, that's science. The issue, making a good infographic used to mean hiring a designer, buying Canva Pro, spending 2 hours dragging boxes around, all three. But NoteBookLM just killed that problem. So here's exactly what dropped. NoteBookLM now has custom infographic styles built directly into the tool, 10 preset options, and the ability to create your own from scratch. Let me walk you through what's available right now. You've got editorial, clean, professional, think news magazine layout, perfect if you're presenting research to a client or sharing something in a formal context. You've got clay. This one has a textured, handcrafted feel, softer, more approachable, works really well for educational content or community posts. There's brick, bold, structured, heavy contrast. If you want something that hits hard and looks confident, this is your style. And then there's kawaii, fan favorite. I'll be honest, this one surprised me. It's cute, playful, almost cartoon-like, and it works shockingly well for breaking down complex topics in a way that feels light and non-threatening. If you're explaining AI automation to someone who thinks it's scary, kawaii might actually be your secret weapon. And that's just 4 of the 10. The others cover everything from minimalist and data forward to bold, editorial, and illustrated. There's something for every audience, every brand, every use case. Now here's where it gets really interesting. And this is the part most people are going to miss. You can create your own style. You're not locked into the presets. If your brand has specific colors, a specific feel, a specific vibe, you can build a style that matches it. That means every infographic NoteBookLM generates for you looks like it came from your brand, not from some generic AI template. For the AI Profit Boardroom, this is massive. We can take any content, a lesson, a case study, a breakdown of a new AI tool, and turn it into a branded infographic that looks like our team made it. In seconds, that's leverage. Let me show you exactly how I'd use this for the AI Profit Boardroom. So imagine I upload our full guide on AI automation workflows for small businesses. It's a detailed document, lots of sections, lots of information, great content, but dense. I paste it into NoteBookLM as a source. Then I go to the infographic generator and I select the editorial style. Why editorial? Because the people we're talking to, business owners, agency founders, marketing leads, they respect a professional, clean layout. It signals credibility immediately. I tell NoteBookLM, create an infographic that explains the top 5 ways AI automation saves time for business owners, based on this guide. One click, out comes a structured, visually clear infographic. 5 points, icons, clean hierarchy, ready to post, share, or drop into a presentation. Now I switch the style to kawaii and generate the same content again. Completely different feel, same information, but now it looks friendly, shareable, almost fun. That version works on Instagram. That version gets saved and forwarded. 2 versions, 2 audiences, same source, 10 seconds of work. That's how you use this tool. Not just to generate content, but to generate content that's built for specific platforms and specific people. Here's something else people aren't talking about yet. This isn't just for social media posts. Think about what you could do with this for your business. Onboarding documents, you know, the ones, long PDFs that nobody reads, turn them into a visual walkthrough. Suddenly your new clients actually understand what you do and how to work with you. Okay? Training materials. If you're trying to teach your team a new process, an infographic beats a video call every time. They can refer back to it, they can share it, they can pin it, content repurposing. You already have great content, blog posts, course lessons, research docs. NoteBookLM can now turn all of it into infographics. You're not creating from scratch. You're transforming what you've already built. The AI Profit Boardroom has hundreds of lessons, case studies, and frameworks. This tool means every single piece of that content can now become a shareable visual. That's our content library multiplied. Now let me talk about the custom style feature a bit more, because I think this is where the real edge lives. Most people are going to use the presets, which is fine. The presets are great. But the businesses that build a custom style, their branded colors, their fonts, their visual identity, those businesses are going to have AI generated content that looks completely native to their brand. There's no way for your audience to look at it and think, oh, that's AI. It looks like your design team made it because the style is yours. When you build a custom infographic style in NoteBookLM, you're not just choosing colors, you can specify the overall mood, the layout type, the level of density, whether you want it icon heavy or text forward, whether you want a horizontal or vertical flow. And once you save it, it's reusable. Every time you generate a new infographic, your custom style is right there. One click and it applies. Think about that for a second. You do the setup work once, and then every infographic you ever generate from that point forward is already branded and on style. There's no redoing it, no adjusting after. It just works. Here's another thing worth noting. NoteBookLM is getting better at understanding complex source material. For anyone doing any kind of research, analysis, or reporting, this is a genuinely useful upgrade. Not just a novelty feature. I've tested it with some dense AI research papers, and the output is actually impressive. It pulls the core ideas, structures them logically, and presents them in a way that's immediately readable. Let me give you the quick workflow so you can use this right now. Step one, open NoteBookLM, add your source. This can be a document, a URL, a Google Doc, a PDF, whatever you've got. Step two, go to the studio panel and find the infographic option. Step three, pick your style. If you're testing it out, try editorial for professional content or kawaii if you want something that's more shareable and visual. Step four, give it a prompt. Tell it what you want the infographic to focus on. Be specific. Create an infographic showing the top 5 benefits of AI automation for marketing agencies is better than make an infographic about AI. Step 5, generate, review, adjust the style if needed, download. That's it. The whole process takes under 2 minutes once you've got your source loaded. And look, this tool is going to keep improving. NoteBookLM is one of the fastest moving AI tools out there right now. These infographic styles are just the latest updates in a long line of upgrades. The teams at Google are clearly pushing this product hard. New features are dropping regularly, and each one makes it more useful for actual business workflows. If you're not using NoteBookLM as part of your content process or your research process, you're working harder than you need to. Here's my challenge to you. Take one piece of content you already have, one blog post, one guide, one lesson, one report, paste it into NoteBookLM, generate 3 infographics using 3 different styles, then look at them, see which one fits best for your audience, save that style, that's your starting point. And once you've done it once, you'll understand why people are calling this a game changer.